Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Now I'll show you how to clean your HUAWEI P50 Pocket charging port using home remedies. So never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage the moisture protection and the charging mechanism itself. And I suggest you use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. As you can see, there is a piece of paper in my charging port, and to get it out you first have to take the cover off and take the brush in your hand. Then gently insert the one part of the toothbrush in your charging port and try to gently pry out the piece of paper. So, fine. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you soon. Bye.